There's a new tour taking over Florida, one that will put a skip in your step and give your phone a proper workout. It's called Florida Stories, a cultural walking tour of the Sunshine State, and it's an app.
So when someone downloads the app, these communities will show up and they can download any one or all of them, and it's totally free, by the way.
It's a tour that allows you to explore the history of unique Florida towns at your own pace and on your own schedule.
The fun part about this is that you can take a walking tour or a guide on a bicycle, and you can actually go and listen to information about what you're looking at. Or you can just be in your car or be in your home and get a tutorial on a wonderful Florida community. For example, I'm at stop number 1 here in downtown St. Petersburg, and you could download the app and walk right into this historical museum, which is a wonderful place, and you can get your first flavor of the city of St. Petersburg if you were so interested.
Each tour is about an hour long with at least 10 stops. Each stop serves up about 3 to 6 minutes of history to enjoy while you take in the site.
It's about history, sometimes it's about architecture or culture or music, and all of that is part of the app.
Local voices are often the storytellers, and historical photos complement the recording.
It is absolutely like getting a tour from a local.
For example, in St. Augustine, you can choose to learn about the city's Spanish history,
275-year-old Rodriguez Sanchez house,
or check out the architecture on the Gilded Age tour.
Creature of Henry Flagler's love.
Lincolnville is one of a number of tours about our state's African American history, where your steps actually follow the path of civil rights marchers in 1965.
Churches where King spoke in late May.
And so we have communities that are very proud to tell their history.
While you learn about the cultural and historical fabric of the area, you'll undoubtedly stumble upon more great things to experience, like shops and cafes and museums.
It is a wonderful, free way to discover information about this magnificent state.
You could take it in stride and do a little over a few days, or plan an afternoon around the map, like a friend and I did in DeLand. Tour the beautiful Stetson University campus, visit the Opera House, and enjoy a locally owned lunch spot.
Well, there's a side benefit of all of this, which is that you get outside. It's pretty spectacular, and we're in a state where you can be outside virtually all year long.
So pick a place and put on your walking shoes. You've got a whole state to discover. For Visit Florida, I'm Janice Jones.